Okay, so today we are going to practice about study experience in senior high school. You have to practice your understanding on simple past tense. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. We can start now. Okay. Where did you study in senior high school?
I did. I studied at senior high school Negara.
Okay. And then who was your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher was my chemistry teacher. She
Okay.
was very kind and patient in teaching, so that's why I like her.
Okay. And what subject did you like most?
The subject that I liked the most was chemistry. Um,
Okay. Why do you like
I like
chemistry?
I like when I did a lab experiment, count the number of particles, heat and energy of reactions, and pH of solution. It was very fun and challenging for me.
Okay. Fun and challenging, right?
Yes.
And what subject did you find most difficult?
It was history subject.
Okay. Why?
Um, because there were many dates, many names of people and place to
Mhm.
remember, and then the texts were long, and then it was very difficult for me.
Okay. Yeah. So many things to remember. Yeah. The names of
Yes.
people, place, and also dates or years. Yeah. Okay. And how many friends did you have in your class?
I had 35 friends in my class.
Okay. And which school activities did you enjoy to join?
I joined the chemistry club, chess club, and basketball club.
Okay. And did you ever join a competition?
Yes, I joined a chemistry and basketball competition.
Okay. Did you win any prize?
No.
Okay. Yeah. At least you participate in
Yes.
competition. Yeah. For your experience. Good. And what sport did you play at school?
Uh, I usually played basketball at school.
Okay. Basketball. Yeah. Did you ever join a school trip?
Yes, I went to Malang and Surabaya City. Visit visited the Jatim Park and Surabaya Zoo.
Okay. Yeah, Jatim Park seems to be a nice
Surabaya.
place, yeah, to visit. Yeah, I have been there many times. Yeah, with my family. Yeah. My
Uh,
children were very happy and excited to go there. Yeah, so, what book did you read most in high school?
okay, I read chemistry books in senior high school.
Okay, mostly chemistry, right? Yeah. Did you ever get good grades? And in which subject did you get?
Yes, I I got good grades in chemistry subject, of course.
Okay. And who helped you when you had a problem in studying?
It was my private teacher, my friends, and also my parents.
Okay, so you share your problems to your parents, your teacher, and best friend, maybe. Eh?
Yes.
Okay. And then, what project or assignment did you enjoy most at school?
I enjoyed the laboratory practice the most, Mister.
Okay. And did you ever join a student council or organization?
No, I never joined the student council or an organization in my senior high school.
Okay, yeah, no problem. And then what rules did your school have?
Okay, my school had rules like this. First, we had to be in class at 7 a.m.
Hmm.
Two, we prayed at 12 p.m. and always. And three, we went home at 3 p.m.
Okay, went home at 3 p.m. Yeah, so you have 5 days school program. Yeah,
Yes,
so
like this.
you got the out on Saturday and Sunday. Yeah, quite good. And then, did you ever give a presentation in your class?
Yes, I did. I
Okay, what
gave
was it about?
I gave a presentation about computer memory.
Hmm.
I explained the types of memory and how they work in a computer.
Okay, good. Yeah, I think this lesson will be very good for your friends to understand the form, the size, the function, yeah, how it operates in the computer. Okay, and then what time did your class usually start and finish?
My class usually start at 7 a.m. and it finished at 3 p.m.
Okay, yeah, quite long. Yeah. So, where did you get your lunch?
Yes, sister.
Where did you get your lunch?
Lunch?
Yeah, where did you get?
Um, at um, half past one
At
in the
in the afternoon. Yeah, where did
yes
you get it? In the school canteen
at
or?
yes at my school canteen.
Okay, yeah. So you have time to break for lunch.
Yes,
For how many minutes?
just 30 minutes.
Just 30 minutes for lunch. Okay, I think that's enough. Yeah, for lunch. Okay, who was your best
Yes.
friend in senior high school? Can you describe
Uh,
him or her?
my best friend was Widya.
Hmm.
I like her because she was a loyal friend. She very kind to me, and she was always patient too. And that's why I like her.
Okay, where is she now?
Uh, she's study
Yeah, in
at Jogja, Mister.
in Jogja. Yeah. Okay, so
Yes,
do you still communicate with her
of
until
course.
today? Okay, yeah. At least say hello and ask for the progress. Yeah, the
Yes.
study. Okay. Yeah, we come to the last questions. Yeah. What was your happiest memory in your high school?
My happiest memory was when I did a laboratory practice with my friends. We worked and we laughed together, and for me, it was very fun.
Okay, yeah, because you did lots of laboratory practice, yeah, for chemistry subjects. Okay. Okay, I think that's all. So it's nice, yeah, to talk with you about school experience, yeah, and then you did practice the simple task very well. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Mister.